Why do we spin so much? Macy's on the evil spirit. Oh my god, I'm not laughing. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy. What? Got me a free stove. Got me a Christmas tree. Gotta scrap the rest of this shit, ladies and gentlemen. The lady next door is bitching up a storm. Turning me in and stuff, so we gotta get it all scrapped. Need a grill. Just ripped the back off old dryer number 1. What do we have here? Quarter, newer quarter. Friggin' penny. That was a ring, god dang it. Darn it. Thought we had a ring. Now we need to pop this piece off, see if there's anything stuck in there. There might be some more change up in here. Oh. 20-some cents. What? And I always get the wires out and shit. Scrappers love it when you do that. Get all that wireage. Oh yeah. Check how I scrapped this friggin' dryer. I knocked the electric motor right through. Boom, there it is laying there. I'm gonna snip some wires, pull them back through. Bam, snip them up here. I got all the wires out, and then the rest goes in the scrap friggin' pile. Oh yeah. Couple more left. Couple more left. Holy shit, man. Kinds of wireage in there. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Skechers Ice Lights. Do you got your backpack so we can show? Skechers Ice Lights, the kids' new school shoes. What? Comes in 8 different colors. What do you think of that? What? Skechers Ice Lights. What color do you want to wear today, buddy?
And I want to wear
it's a proud sponsor of Skechers.
green.
It's a proud
Where's your backpack, mate, so we can show off your backpack? Yep, that's his new shoes. We're going to wear it for school today. CWC backpack. Oh yeah. They even match the backpack. Look. Skechers Ice Lights. You plug them in and charge them. It's pretty cool. Yep, got to get him his shoes on. He's got to go.
Light up your shoes.
Let's see your shoes. What do you got? Skechers S Lights?
But mine can stay.
Oh wow.
Mine can still, see? And we can turn off at any moment, right?
Yeah, awesome, buddy. Show me.
Look, you can. These are Skechers. Where can you get it?
At the shoe department.
At the shoe department.
Yeah. Or at places that sell shoes.
Yeah, places that.
There's your dog Coop.
There's your dog cute.
Show us.
Wanna buy it? Go to SML.
Show us what the shoes do. Oh, you're gonna be glowing.
Yeah. And you can buy Cuba at SMLWatch.com.
I see your sister's got Skechers
and
too.
even have
You can even turn them on and off. Skechers. What?
But it won't. But the thing is that ours is not the same because mine stays on and Macy's doesn't. Right, Daddy?
Yeah. Those are pretty cool.
Yeah, that's different.
Skechers S Lights.
You can get Cuba at SMLWatch.com and she'll even be wearing this one that says Steffi on it.
Oh my. Scrapping Metal 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Got the truck all loaded up with friggin' scrap metals. Ready to head off to the recycling center. Oh yeah. Gotta keep making that monies. What? Scrapping 2019. Can't have a scrapping video without a little scrapping. Scrapping 2019. On our way to the recycling center now. At least you know where it's at. It's on the north side. Friggin' north side. North side, north side. Lots of money over here. That place on the left, big shit. It always had a sign out front that said hiring. Big monies.
Stall tin?
Yeah.
No refrigeration units of any kind?
No.
No?
Pretty sure just washers and dryers. No
Back up as close to the pile as you can get.
No refrigerators no more?
What's that?
No refrigerators,
Well, you
eh?
can bring them, but you got to go get them tagged, and ain't nobody gonna do it for $85. Ain't worth it.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, anything with a Freon has to have a tag on it
Alright.
from the company that did it, and has to have their logo on it and their phone number and what they took out and how much. And
Oh, jeez, eh? Alright, here's the results from scrapping today. This is what I had in the truck, 740 pounds. That's how much 2 dryers, a washer, and a stove, and a fake Christmas tree. That's how much I get for it. What? $22.20. And I picked this up in the garbage on the way home. Check that out. Casino CA110. What? That was sitting in the trash, along with some other shit. Got a flat screen TV in the back of the truck and everything. Oh yeah, look at the casino keyboard. Looks vintage. I used to play with one of these when I was little. It's awesome. Hopefully it works. Need to get a power cord.
folks. Well, darn it, you always try to hurt some lungs. You miserable old fart, get some hearing aids.
Wow, about to throw this shit in reverse. They don't hurry up. It's making where I don't even want to eat my taco. Bugs all over my freaking car and shit. Wow. Even more showed up. Fucking infestation. It's crazy, dude. Fuck. My food. Fucking 30, 40, 50 bugs on the front of my car.